Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today I am going to show you how you can encrypt decrypt a file using DES3 algorithm. So this is a completely lab based training. Okay, so I will show you how, if there is a file, say suppose here you can see there is a file satish.txt. I will show you how you can encrypt this file using DES3 algorithm with salt value and without salt value. So I will check, or I will show you how you can test DES3 with salt value and DES3 algorithm without salt value to encrypt and decrypt a file or encode and decode a file. Okay, so one by one let's start. First of all, see the content of the file. So let me show you the file content. So you can clearly see the file is not encrypted. So in this folder you can see only one file, satish.txt, and if you see the content of this file, you can easily read the content of this file. Now I need to encrypt this file using DES3 algorithm, but I don't want I don't want the salt value, so I am going to encrypt this file with DES3 algorithm without any salt value. So I will type OpenSSL DES3 in the name of the file I want to encrypt. In the input, in means input file, I'm going to encrypt a.txt, and the output file you can give any name, suppose b.txt. It's asking password, give any password, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Remember the password. Okay, once you are encrypting this file, you have to remember the password, because you need this password when you want to decode this file. So run ls command again. Now you can see we have encrypted file b.txt. Now I'm going to delete the file satish.txt, which we don't need. Now we have the only one file b.txt, and this file is encrypted. You can see cat b.txt, and this file is encrypted. You will not be able to see the content. Let me show you again, cat b.txt, and you see this file is encrypted. You are not able to see this content. Now we have only one file inside this folder, and I want to decode this file. How to decode? OpenSSL DES3 -d input file b.txt, output file you can give any name, any hell name, suppose a.txt. so this will decode b.txt into a.txt. the password, same password, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and done. Ls, you can see you have another file a.txt, and you see the content cat a.txt. your file is back here. Let me run the history command. Okay, so you can see clearly, see line number 70 to encrypt the file satish.txt into b.txt using DES3 algorithm. Line number 78 to decrypt the file b.txt into a.txt with the same algorithm DES3. So this is symmetric cryptography, because same algorithm DES3 is used to encrypt, and same algorithm is used to decrypt the file, and the same password 1 2 3 4 5 6 for both encryption and decryption. So line number 70 for encryption, line number 78 for decryption. Okay, now this we have done DES3 without salt. Now I am going to show you DES3 with salt. So we have the file. So let me delete this b.txt file. So you can see now we have only one file, a.txt. this is a simple text file. You can easily read this file, because right now this file is not encrypted. Now I want to encrypt this file. How I can encrypt this file? Using DES3 algorithm and salt value. Salt value is the extra value added to the file to make it more difficult to crack or decode. So let's start. OpenSSL DES3, name of the algorithm, and I am going to add salt value. So I am telling my system so that you can add random data from your side in the form of salt value, and but you have to encrypt a.txt to any file name, suppose xyz.txt. So now this command will encrypt a.txt into xyz.txt with the help of DES3 algorithm and with some salt value also. So give the password 1 2 3, suppose 1 2 3, enter, done. Run ls command, and you can see a.txt has been encrypted into xyz.txt. Now you can remove a.txt file, and you can see we have only one file, xyz.txt. if you want to check, or if you want to see the content of xyz.txt, whether it is encrypted or not, you can check using cat command, and you can see the file is encrypted. You are not able to read the content of xyz.txt. Now what? Now we have this only xyz.txt file, and I want my file back. So I want to decode this xyz file. How I can decode? Same method, OpenSSL DES3 -d, and the salt value, you can apply the salt value. Okay, and then -in. In the input you can give the name of the file, and the output you can give the name of the file, suppose abc.txt. Password, same password, 123. Run ls command, and you can see abc.txt. you can see cat abc.txt. see, I think we have don't type the correct password, so or we have done some mistake. Okay, so what mistakes we did, we can see I have just typed ds, not ds3, so I have to repeat the command again, and here open SSL des3, okay, and then type the password 123 again, and now you can see the file abc.txt. check again cat abc.txt, and you can see the content is here. The content is here. It means we are successfully able to decode the file. Remember, if you made anything mistake, it will not be decoded. So from here, line number 88, to encrypt the file using ds3 algorithm, okay, but here we are using salt value, so ds3 plus salt value to encrypt the file a.txt into xyz.txt. how to decode? Line number 98, 97, 95 is incorrect. Why? Because we have missed ds3 here. I have just typed ds, so the correct line is 98. In this line I have decrypted the file ds using the ds3 algorithm, and salt value -d is used to decode or decrypt salt value xyz into abc.txt, and we have the file abc.txt, and you can see abc.txt is the normal file. You can see your original content inside abc.txt, and hence you can decrypt the file using ds3 algorithm either with salt value or without salt value. I hope you understand this algorithm and you know how to encrypt and decrypt the file using ds3 algorithm. Open SSL tool, and if you have any doubts regarding this, or if you want like video on many other topics, you can just ask me in the comment section. I will try to help you by my videos. Thank you for watching the video.